Okay, here we are at question 2 of our test on exponentials. So these equations represent the number of bacteria in 4 different dishes as a function of time, t, and days. Which equation represents the population with the greatest growth factor? So to answer this question, you got to know where the growth factor is, right? Because a lot of people are going to look at this and say, look, this is the biggest number here, 1,000. I'm going to go with A. Or maybe they're going to try to plug something in. Today I saw people trying to multiply this times that. We don't need to do all that. We don't got to multiply this together. We just need to recognize the parts of our function. Look up here in this question 1, when we wrote out the equation, you know what comes right here? The beginning. So if we're looking for the beginning, it'd be this one started at 1,000, B started at 800, C started at 600, D started at 400. But that's not what they're asking about. They want to know about growth factor. So where's my growth factor? Well, that's the thing that I keep multiplying by over and over again. In question 1, it was 3. We're multiplying by 3 each time. So down here, and look at this one petri dish, they're multiplying times 5/6. In this petri dish, they're multiplying by 1/50th. In this petri dish, they're multiplying by 5/2. In this petri dish, it's getting tripled every day, I guess. So look at these. Pick which one is the greatest. These are your growth factors right here. Which one is largest? So 5 out of 6, right? That's almost 1, but it's not quite 1. If it was 6 over 6, that'd be 1. This is a pizza with only 5 out of the 6 slices left. One of them's gone. Now B, 1/50th, a lot of people that don't know fractions very well say, hey, 50 is a big number. So that's got to be big, right? But it's not. This is a pizza with 50 slices. It's got so many slices. They're cut tiny little thin slices. So if you get one of those little pieces of pizza, guess what? It's going to be paper thin. You're not getting hardly nothing. Because the bigger the denominator down here, the smaller this number is. This one down here, 5/2. Just think of what's 5 divided by 2. Half of 5 is 2.5. And this one's 3. So this is less than 1. This is a tiny little thing right here, 1/50th. This is 2.5, and this is 3. 3 is our winner chicken dinner. We're going to go with D, Petri dish D. It only started with 400, but it's going to triple every day. And there's our greatest growth factor. This 3 right here. Here's our growth factor. It's the greatest.